Hey everyone! In today's video, I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Nevada. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Nevada using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So the first question to ask is why Busy? Well, Busy is the simplest platform to use when forming and managing an LLC in Nevada. Busy completes the entire LLC process, even at home, without any need of expensive legal fees and paperwork. So to start forming your own LLC in Nevada, click the link down below to sign up. This isn't a sponsored video for LLC creation on Busy. However, it is the simplest way to get started, so if you want to get started with Busy, head down to the description box down below to find the link for Busy. From there, you're going to select your LLC. And after you have selected your LLC, you're going to select your state. So we're looking for Nevada, so we're going to go into this simple drop-down menu and we are going to search for Nevada. Once you have selected your state, it's time to proceed with the different packages on Busy. All of these packages will allow you to start your own LLC, but of course, the higher tiers have more features that may be more beneficial depending on your needs. Starting with the silver package, here you won't be paying any extra fees other than your state fee. Your state fee is going to be dependent on which state you are present in. The state fee for Nevada is $436, so you're only going to be paying your state fee, and that is what you have to pay for any platform or any LLC creation. After that, you will see there are certain features that are included in each individual plan. On the silver plan, you have the preparation and filing of the articles of organization. You also have a free registered agent service for a year, as well as statement organizers, unlimited name searches, and more for only $0. This package gets your free registered agent for a year, and you only pay your state fees. Now with the silver package, you also can get things such as expedited filing, unlimited name searches, articles, and other stuff like that. Now moving on towards our gold package. The gold package makes you pay $199 for its subscription and your $436 state fee. This package comes with extra add-ons such as your EIN, business tax number, lifetime compliance alert, IRS forms, operating agreements, and more. So as an example, let's proceed with our gold package over there. From here, we are going to be led to our LLC's name creation. So over here, you have to enter the name that you would like to create your LLC under. Now, with Busy, it automatically checks whether or not your name is going to be available for LLC creation in that particular state. Keep in mind that your name should have to comply with the naming requirements of the state that you are present in. So my name should comply with Nevada's naming requirements and designator. Once you have chosen your name, and if it is taken, Busy will recommend some alternatives that you can choose from. Then after that, you will see your business industry that you can enter. So simply search for your business industry over here and then click on Next on the bottom right. After this, you will be proceeded to the state filing time. Normally it's 4 weeks to 3 weeks, but you can get it sped up for an additional fee of $50. For Nevada particularly, the filing time is 3 weeks, and if you get it sped up, you can get it filed in 2 business days. For those that are not in a rush or out of a budget, you can choose the free option, and then you will get an estimate as to when your particular LLC filing will be completed. So the estimated formation day is the 2nd of July for our particular LLC. However, if we get it expedited, we can get it by the 5th of June. Choose your particular option and then click on Next. Now, after that, you have to add details about a person that they might need to contact for any type of additional info. So simply input the information about that person over here and then enter all of their basic information such as a name, phone number, business address, and email address. The next step is to enter the company address info. If you want to keep your address private, even if you're not in the state, you can choose the professional business address and virtual mail service. However, this is going to cost you an additional $29 every month. Otherwise, you can use your physical address in the state of Nevada. Keep in mind that if you choose your own address, your location will be made public when it's submitted to the IRS. It's a part of the process and it's standard procedure that the registration location of any LLC is made public by the IRS. So if you're fine with that, you can go on ahead and choose this option and then fill out your contact address and then click on next. However, if you want the more private option, so that your address won't be publicly available, you still will be required to add your contact address at the bottom. This is not to be made public, and this will only remain with Busy in case that they need more information or in case they need to contact you for more information or shipping related purposes of your order. So simply proceed with your address over here, and your address, if you're doing a virtual address, does not need to be in the state of Nevada. And then click on next. Once you're done with adding your address, then you have to choose between the premium service packages. There are 3 basic features that they provide in their premium services packages. First off, you have business contract templates that cost you around $150, then you have expedited filing services, and then you have domain name and business email addresses for an additional $40. You can see that this will be added up in your order summary on the right over here, and you can choose whether or not you want these upgrades. These can be super helpful to make sure that your LLC is complying with all legal requirements. The business contract templates can give you access to over 25 high-quality legal documents. So make your choice, and if you want to get these add-ons, click on Get Upgrade and Bonus. Make sure to pay close attention on the right panel to see exactly what you are paying for. Click on Get Upgrade or Bonus, or click on No Thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, and then move to the next step. Over here, you have to choose the number of members or owners there are in your LLC. So if there is only one member, you can add that member's information and then click on next. So fill out the information about each individual on the owner's list and then proceed to the next step. The next step entails appointing a registered agent. It is required to have a registered agent in Nevada, and with Busy, you can appoint a registered agent service for free for up to 1 year. You can either appoint yourself or hire someone as well, so you can make your pick and then click on next. After that, you will be prompted to enter your EIN or tax info assigned to you by the IRS. For foreign individuals, you can click on Yes over here. And then you can provide your SS number with your first and last name, and then enter your address, and then click on Next on the bottom. In the next step, you'll be prompted to provide your business banking. This is a great option for those who have or want a separate banking account for their business. If you wish to proceed, click on Yes, I'm interested, or you can click on Ask Me Later otherwise. And then you will be prompted for a free consultation with Busy. This allows you to learn about how LLCs are taxed, how you can do proper IRS tax election, how you can actually miss out certain tax deductions and how you can keep track of those. And then you also have access to business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce the chance of the IRS audit, and also how to reduce self-employment taxes. So if you are interested, you can click on Yes, or if you're not, you can click on I'm not interested, and then click on Next. Now, after you do that, you will see your business license and permits option. This allows you to identify all the licenses that you would require and send you the necessary applications. Or if you want to do this yourself, you can proceed with No Thanks. Finally, you will be taken to the last step where you can review your order. Double check everything from your formation info, contact info, company info, member info, and all of your tax information as well. If everything is good to go, simply click on Next and then enter your billing info. Make sure to check your order summary on the right to see if all the features are present which you required. Make sure to check all your line items as well, and Simply enter your card information and pay away. So as you guys can see over here, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Nevada with this straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. So if you want to sign up on Busy and get started, head down to the description below to find the link for Busy. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business updates and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.